Hi, this is Barbara Badolati of Be Alive and Well, and today's meditation is intuitive touch. Most times, you may give your body some healthy touch without consciously thinking about it. So as we fall still with a nice deep breath, tune into your body. Notice where there might be some tension or where your body calls for a little attention. Maybe your hands are cold or you've been typing a lot. Massage your hands. Just let this be intuitive. Go with what feels good for your hands, your fingers, maybe even your wrist. And sometimes it feels good to take your fingertips and massage your scalp, like what your hairstylist does when you get a shampoo. You can even move this into your temples or forehead, rubbing down your cheeks, and especially massaging the jawline. We can hold a lot of tension in the jaw. If your back is bothering you, you might want to massage the area of discomfort, or you might be holding stress at the top of your shoulders, so rub that out of your neck and your shoulders. Remember to breathe as you intuitively massage your body. This is a quick and effective way to calm the nervous system, relieve some built-up stress, and re-energize your entire body. This is Barbara Badolati with your Meditation Minute. Take care.